Assalamu alaikum. My name is Zahid Azmat and today I represented morphine. First of all, in any presentation, we are all describe its contents, and the contents of my presentation includes introduction, structure, properties, applications and effect on environment. Means what is the effect of morphine on environment? Then uses and alternative of morphine. At the end, we conclude it and give its references. Introduction. First of all, I tell you that morphine is an alkaloid narcotic drug extracted from opium, a powerful habit-forming narcotic used to relieve pain. And then we can read it. Morphine is a pain medication. Pain medications mean medicine for pain of the opioid family. Opioid family are a class of drugs used to reduce pain that is found naturally in dark brown resinous form. Resinous mean full of containing raisins from the poppy plant. Poppy plant is a species of plant that gives opium and poppy seeds. It can be taken orally, sublingually, via inhalation, the transdermal routes. Sublingually means by tongue. Inhalations means we can take it by the action of inhaling or breathing in. And the transdermal means active ingredients are delivered across the skin, internally as well as via injection. Injection means we can taken it through injection. And then after introduction we describe its sources. Means morphine is extracted from different points, different environments, and here I describes that we are extracting it from the dried milky exudate of the unripe. Unripe means that are not ripe seed capsule of the opium poppy. It occurs as colorless, means it has no color. Crystals are a white crystalline powder. It means that it has no color. If it occur in crystalline form, it has white powder. And then after the resources, I can describe its uses. Morphine. Morphine is widely used label for almost any condition that cause pain. Means it reduces the pain, so it is used to relieve from pain. In the emergency department, morphine is given for musculoskeleton. Musculoskeleton means it has bones and cartilage. Abdominal pain means the pain which occurs in abdomen, chest pain, and arthritis and even headache when patient fails to respond to first and second line agents. Then preparation of morphine. It means that where morphine is prepared. First of all, it is prepared from poppy plants. Although morphine and some of secondary alkaloids, we know that morphine is itself an alkaloid narcotic drug and can now be synthesized by organic chemical methods. Means it has different chemical methods by which morphine is synthesized. The poppy plant is still the source of commercially manufactured. Means poppy plant is the commercially where we are formed it by commercially, and also the basic material for the semi-synthetic drugs with morphine like effect. Now here the structure of morphine is given, in which three benzene molecules are included. We see that morphine is also a benzyl molecule in which benzene are involved. Now here we can describe the properties of morphine. First of all, its molar mass, which is 285.338 gram per mole. Then its acidity pK Step number 1, 8.21. Its acidity is 8.21 at 25 degrees Celsius. And step number 2, its acidity is 9.85 at 20 degrees Celsius. Then we can discuss its solubility, which is 0.15 gram per liter at 20 degrees Celsius. And its melting point is 255 degrees Celsius. These are the properties of morphine, which is always present in it. Its chemical properties, the chemical formula, any structure, any molecule, any atom, any compound, and any substance in chemistry has its chemical formula. And the chemical formula of morphine is C16H19NO3. It is a benzyl socquinoline alcohol. We also discussed that morphine is a benzyl molecule and it is the most abundant opiate present in opium. The three-dimensional structure have 5 rings, means morphine has three-dimensional structure. Of these, 3 lie approximately in the same layer, and these three rings, 3 benzyl rings are present in the same plane. And after that, applications of morphine. We know that morphine is used to relieve pain, which is very severe and cause different problems in patients. And in other emergency situations, morphine is also used for cure of diseases. Effect on environment. Here we can discuss that what is the effect of morphine on environment. As America confronts a situation that make uncomfortable, means uncomfortable situations are confronts. The opioid crisis mean conditions. Environmental scientists are warning, means scientists are warn us that about related problems, the problems that is caused by morphine. Chemicals from painkillers and other drugs often end in lakes and rivers, creating what some scientists say could be a deadly cocktail for fish and other wildlife. The life that present in water or in forests. What is the use of morphine on patients? We can discuss here that morphine is used to relieve moderate, means here the severe pain in patients is occur, and if we use morphine, then it relieve pain, and severe pain is moderate. Morphine extended release tablets and capsules, means we can form its tablets in the form of medicines, and capsules are only used to relieve severe pain that can't be controlled by the use of other pain medication. As a drug, the use of morphine as a drug. Source of morphines may be natural, synthetic, and biosynthetic. Drugs of plants, animals, microbiological, marine, mineral, geographical origins constitute the natural sources. The entire plant, the full complete plant, are parts of the plant's secretion, and exudate of plants are the source of plant drugs. Means morphine is used as a drug, and its resources is plants and parts of the plants. Alternative means which is used in place of morphine. Hydromorphone is relatively new on the market, means it is a new molecule that occurs in that establish or that bring in the market, aimed as alternative to oral morphine, which is used on the place of morphine. It comes in the market latestly. Relief pain. Relief of it means that we use morphine to relieve pain. Relief of severe joints pain caused by disabling disease such as rheumatoid. Rheumatoid is the inflammation of membranes where low level fever, human tired, low level of blood occurs, which is the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. And osteoarthritis means low cartilage level, friction level low on bones, and bones are fused with each other. It means that joints become immovable that are not moved. Pain relief in terminal cancer patients. In cancer patients, the pain is very severe, so we use morphine on cancer patients. This is part of palliate care. Palliate mean complete care or end of life care. At the end of life, we use morphine from for the relief of pain given to the cancer patients with advanced disease. A cough suppressant in cases where cough is severe cough enough. At the end, conclusion. Morphine, a potent and strong opiate, has its efficiency in relieving variety of distressing symptoms. Research has documented role of low dose morphine for treatment and relief from conditions like chronic. Means very severe conditions. Refractory breathlessness means there is a problem in breathing, cough which is very severe, and mucositis, oral or vaginal. Here are references, which is that the material we are collected from these websites, and which is very helpful for this. And at the end, Allah Hafiz. Thank you.